Thompson here again with another fun sewing project. Today we're going to talk about cozy fall and embroidery on fleece. So let's get started. Grab some fleece, some sticky stabilizer, and some water-soluble stabilizer, and we're going to create a fun project. First, on the back side of your fleece project, adhere your sticky stabilizer to keep the fabric from stretching. Then you're going to turn that over and hoop your project, including a layer of water-soluble stabilizer on the front side. This makes it easy to wash away. Now, if you want to see both sides of your project, the best thing to do is use water-soluble stabilizer on both sides. But today I'm using sticky on the back and water-soluble on the front. Then you're going to go ahead and either create your design, upload your design from embroidery, or use one of your built-in embroidery designs on your Brother sewing and embroidery machine. Sewing or embroidery machine. Slide your hoop into place and begin your embroidering. It will start off slow, and then you want to make sure and check that you're looking that the stitches are not sinking too far into the fleece. And this is why we have that water-soluble stabilizer on the top, and that's to help keep those stitches from sinking too far into the plush fibers of the fleece. So this stabilizer should keep those stitches beautiful on top of the fleece. So you can see here that we have our nice words. Then you're going to trim away the water-soluble stabilizer from the front, and then trim away any loose threads that might be from your jump stitches, and then you're going to turn it over to the back and peel away and trim that sticky stabilizer from the back side as well. Now you can wash the whole project at this point, or you can just wet that little area to remove the water-soluble stabilizer from the corner, and now you have a beautiful embroidered fleece project. Enjoy!